Breaking right now at 5, the Kenosha County District Attorney with a long-awaited announcement. No officers will be charged in the shooting of Jacob Blake.
After months of investigation, the Kenosha County DA says he does not have grounds for a criminal case against police officer Rustin Sheskey.
Michael Gravely also announced no charges would be filed against Jacob Blake as well. Now, Blake's family has called for criminal charges against Sheskey. Now, this story is still developing, as you know. Our Tom Durian has been sorting this out. He joins us now with the latest on the DA's decision. Tom.
Yeah, Carol and Steve, you got the headlines right there. No charges against any of the police officers or against Jacob Blake in the shooting that happened back on August 23rd, more than 4 months ago. This decision coming, of course, in the last 24 hours since the city here in Kenosha was able to declare a state of emergency and give the mayor some powers should they need to enact a curfew if there's any type of unrest following this. Right now, we're in Civic Center Park and everything is quiet. You can see the fences up around the courthouse behind me. Let's go backwards first to get you to where we went today. As you take a look at some video here, Blake was shot by Officer Rustin Sheskey on August 23rd after being summoned to the scene by a 911 call. Now, since early on, law enforcement has said that Blake told them that he had a knife in his vehicle, and they later said that it was found on the floorboard near where he was shot. Now, the shooting left Blake paralyzed from the waist down. The DA said today that this all boiled down to 4 questions. Is this a domestic abuse case? That was the 911 call they got from Jacob Blake's girlfriend. Was Jacob Blake armed? Of course, that knife they told us about. And what does physical evidence tell us? And what does our independent use of force experts say was reasonable? Take a listen to Noble Ray.
Like most Americans that saw that video back in August, like most Americans, I was very troubled. I was emotionally troubled. As a person, that really bothered me. From a human standpoint, it just cut away in ways that, most of us really understand. That was very difficult to watch.
So Noble Ray is the former Madison police chief. He was brought in as an expert on this case, and it boiled down to, they say, the officer acting in self-defense. Now, that shooting, of course, set off days of unrest here in Civic Center Park and across downtown. 3 people were shot, 2 of them died, 1 was injured. This time, National Guard troops are set throughout Kenosha. We saw several sets of them as we drove into the city today. You could visibly see them. That is something different from back in August. Now, the Blake family is holding their own press conference. We'll be getting to that at some point within this newscast, but their attorney released a statement earlier today saying they were disappointed with this, and they say it further destroys trust in our justice system. That's Benjamin Crump, the family attorney. Reporting live here outside Civic Center Park, I'm Tom Durian, TMJ4 News. Back to you.